So here's the project. Making some headway. We have a rigid bin developed here on top, and on the bottom we have a newer style neck. The frame fixture is built so it pivots on that point and that point, so that I can weld the top of one frame and the bottom of the other frame. All in all, it's coming along nicely. The the rear pulley is just on there so I could check the clearance with the other frame tubes. It's a little bit rough right now. Here's the tubing bender I've been working on. And right there is the start of an English wheel combination planishing hammer. Or here's the motor case I just cast, or part of it. There's a gas tank in progress. The old Firebird. Looked at the grain structure, looked at the metal of one of my castings. After all, it is a lab. Made a series of those. So it's all coming together nicely. Other people's plans, I'll get my own eventually.